together. Hi, this is the banana chip shop, and you can see that this is the price, the menu: potato spring spicy, kentan, Korean cheese, and then we have the cheese chocolate and cheese strawberry. Very beautiful. Beautiful.
Very nice.
Yes, very delicious. And too much. How many pieces inside one box? I think it is like maybe 7 or 8 pieces for the banana chip. Then they cut slightly, like a grate cheese. Now chocolate syrup, right?
Cheese chocolate.
Yeah. Potato? Oh, okay.
Very nice.
Very delicious.
If you are finding a snack for your Ramadan, so I think banana chip is one of the things that you can think about. Just give it a try. And this shop is recommended shop because here the price is quite reasonable. It's just only 9 ringgit for a lot of pieces inside a box. And the taste also very good. This is a good taste here. Alright, so let's move on to the next store.
Okay, otherwise, so now I'm saying that this is the next store that we have. We have the kebab, and kebab is very delicious. This is recommended. The price is also very reasonable, very cheap, and taste. This is compared with the roti john. It's so nice. Somehow that I like this kebab more than roti john. But maybe someone like the roti john more than that. So let's see. And for the kebab, we have option like chicken, beef, and some extra Kampung. And then we have the prices here. So the price will be 6 ringgit. 6 ringgit, 7 ringgit, or 9 ringgit something. It's very cheap. So this is how they cook the things. So you can see that this is kebab steam. They steam the kebab. You can see the smoky here, and the kebab they put here, and the one that they mix the meat inside over there. See that? And they put inside the bread. The bread they also steam it. It's very soft, tender, and very hot. It's very delicious. And they mix with some veggie like cucumber and everything. You can see that? It's very nice. So you have three meat, right? Chicken. Beef and lamb. Lamb don't have, just only chicken. So 2 or 3.
Chicken and one beef.
Can I have 2 chicken? 2 chicken and then 1 beef. 1 beef. Okay. So let's take a look. Let's go inside and take a look. They have very delicious. Yeah. Can you make it from there? I would like to see the process from there, from beginning. There. It's so delicious. Oh. It's a mouth watering, you see. They put a little bit, yes. I put a lot of chili and then a lot. This is mayonnaise, right? Yes. 2 chicken lah. But the chicken one, can you make from here? Okay. The really tiny one. Smoker. She already know how to help her father. I think maybe her father, maybe brother. Yeah. She your daughter?
Yes.
Oh, okay. See, very nice. And then you see, beautiful. And then they steam on this. When they put the meat inside the bread over here, there you go. Yeah. Then they will put it here for steam it a bit. That's the reason why The bread is so moist. Yeah, it's so tender. It's moisture. You see, it's very nice. Okay, so I think maybe my one already ready. Is that? It's very nice. Oh yeah. Okay, so I think maybe what our one is already ready. We go out first. Let me see how much. You can see that chicken is 6 ringgit and beef will be 6 ringgit also. So total I buy 3 will be 18 ringgit.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, okay. So another satay section. Okay, there you go. It's very nice.
Boss.
This is the satay sections, and you see this is the barbecue one. So delicious. Okay, later I think maybe we come to the front one and see the front one. They have sauces, and they have the chicken organic, and they also have the drumstick and chicken wing. Very nice. Okay, so let's move on to the next store. What is that? What is that?
Okey, kita ada samosa. Biasa samosa dia ada sos kan?
Oh,
Tapi kita tak ada sos, kita terus makan.
oh, I see.
Dia macam murtabak lah.
Okay, this is samosa.
Samosa ayam.
This one freeze. You put in the freeze. I mean in the fridge. You put in the fridge. How many pieces? Yes. 50. Okay, 50. Okay, 40, 50 for one set. There. Samosa. Yeah. A lot of beverage sections. This is another type of beverage. So we have the green tea, chocolate, and we also have the coffee, green tea, chocolate, and Tederick, right? Tederick. Yeah, Tederick over here. So, and price is here. How much is that? 6 ringgit for 6 ringgit for cup. It's huge.
Chocolate, also tetari.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so we have this one is nasi. Oh, clam.
Tiga kaba, kopi tarik,
Very nice.
madu, tiga, dah cuba pasti nak.
How much is that? Huh? 13 ringgit for this. Can I have one? Yes.
Tiga kaba, kopi
What is that? Seafood. What kind of seafood? Seafood a lot. So they put some lettuce, cucumber, and come up with I don't know what kind of lettuce. Oh. So this one is calling. They calling what the name?
Seafood. Kerang.
Kerang.
Shell out.
Kerang. Okay, give me a moment.
Bang my phone, you will fall down.
Okay, here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, we have some rice. This one nasi keli, ikan keli. Another fish, not ringgit. You want? No. I just take a video. Is this okay? And then we have the ikan talabir, 8 ringgit. Another fries. This one only 1 ringgit for 1 piece. Fry roll. And we come with another section. We have the what is that? Oh, spicy. Look at this, it's spicy. Hello, chili. Yeah. And then we have the fresh fruit over here also. This is like a very nice. And the shop name, Cocktail Bua. What is that? This is the shop name, Pancake. But this pancake is come up with very delicious, and then they bump up some more topping. There you go. This is Doraemon cake. Pancakes over here, and then they put some topping here. They say that they have the chocolate and other like cookies. This is chocolate. Chocolate, right? Okay. How much is it for 1 piece? For 1 box, how much? Pricey. So we come to another store. This is rice. And then with a sambal. Sambal. Hey.
For the first time
What are you selling?
I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found
Very
some
nice.
peace. Through the day to the evening.
It's very nice.
Without shouting and screaming.
But we just made a video only.
Something
Thank you.
made me
Okay. This is sugar cane.
lonely. Getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free.
Come.
I thought this was over. Thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you.
Very nice. This is organic, original, no chemical, no sugar.
No sugar.
Okay, no sugar. This is original. Down there, wait. Oh, from here. Oh, okay, from sugar cane. And then put inside the machine and crush your sugar cane. Very delicious. It's a fresh. It's a fresh sugar cane. I think maybe I'll do one lah. Let's buy it. Can I have two? Let me come out to another store. Another store we have some sweet and desserts, cake, snack.
Apa tu? Kuih muih. Macam-macam jenis kuih muih kat sini. Ada 40 jenis kuih muih. Ini onde-onde. Onde-onde ni apa ni dia guna kelapa. Dalam dia ada apa ni tu Melaka tu. Gula Melaka dalam dia. Itulah. Kalau macam ni kuih lapis. Lapis ni dia buat dari tepung gandum, tepung beras. Itulah. Apa lah? Ada ni ah. Ini jala. Jala. Kuah dia kari lah. Apa lagi? Ni, ini apa ni? Koci. koci. Koci ni dia ada inti dalam dia. Inti dalam dia kelapa, coconut.
How much is that? Price?
Bahasa apa? Tepung. Flow.
Okay.
Ini pulut panggang. Pulut panggang. Dalam dia ada serunding campur udang.
Thank you. It's very nice, and the price is also very reasonable, very cheap.